welcome to our channel. Today we're cooking with the kids. We're going to make taco roll-ups with Pillsbury dough. We have some leftover taco meat from the other night, and we have some shredded cheddar cheese. So we're going to roll out the Pillsbury dough onto a cutting board, and then we will finish making our Pillsbury taco rolls. Okay, so we're gonna open our can of Pillsbury dough, and we will spread it out onto our cutting board so it's nice and flat.
Mommy, see? Look.
Okay, so we will roll it out.
I'm gonna keep rolling.
Okay, we're gonna pinch the little seams together so that we make one big sheet. Good job, Benjamin, pinching them together. Really good. Zachary, you gonna help pinch it together?
Yeah. I'm doing this.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna spread out the taco meat. We're both gonna put the cheese on. Okay, everybody's gonna help with the cheese. Okay, we're getting a little messy over here. Okay, good job. Okay, spread it out a little bit. Okay, thank you. Okay, please don't.
Yay!
All right, so now we're gonna roll this up. Don't mess it up, thank you. Okay,
What's that?
all right, so I'm gonna cut these in slices. Benjamin's gonna make sure that he doesn't get in the way of the knife. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy, that looks super yummy with tacos and cheese and this.
Okay, so we're gonna put the pieces into a Pyrex dish. We're gonna lay them flat. Okay, so we have them all placed onto the Pyrex pan. We're going to put them in the oven. It's at 350, and we'll put them in the oven for about 20 minutes.
Yay! I can't wait.
All right, so our taco rolls are done and they have cooled. I will leave the recipe in the description box, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Do you want to try one?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, Zachary? You want to try one?
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy. All right, thanks for watching. Click subscribe so that you don't miss our other videos. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.